Hello everybody. So today we'll be talking about one more important concept that is called center of mass, right? So center of mass is a concept which was built in physics just for the sake of convenience, just for solving questions more easily and applying Newton's laws of motion and Newtonian physics rules more easily, right? So center of mass, according to the definition, is that point where we can consider whole mass of the body to be concentrated at, right? So let us try to understand this by word. So center, what does the word center means? It means the midpoint of something, right? And mass is, if we add mass to this definition, it means that it is midpoint of some mass, right? So let us try to understand it with an example. So let's say this is a marker, and this marker obviously has some mass, and I can see that the mass on the left hand side is more because it has a cap attached to it. It has some additional mass over here, right? So it has more mass here and less mass here, so obviously the mass is not distributed uniformly. So so center of mass is that point where I can assume the whole mass to be concentrated at. So if I try to balance this marker on my finger, let's say, so I can balance it over here. So this is the point where the center of mass is. So this is a point where I can perfectly assume the center of mass to be, and you can notice that this point is not the actual midpoint of this marker. It is slightly shifted from the midpoint, right? That's because more mass is on the left hand side of this marker, and that's the concept of center of mass. Thank you so much.